Okay, so I'm attempting to reassemble this rear view mirror. Actually, here there's a metal plate and there are these two tabs here. So this front side um, I'm gonna put this front side I'm gonna place on top of these tabs so they kind of mount on top like this. They kind of sit on top of the tab like this. um, and then there are these two metal plates that fell off, the clips. So I remember that I could see those clips at the bottom uh, of this arrangement. So I'm gonna put these clips back at the bottom of this. I think they serve to add some tension between the two pieces. This is the back piece of the rear view mirror. So these metal tabs, I think these clips probably go back on the back here to provide some tension between these two parts. So that's what I'm gonna try to put back here like this. And I think I'm gonna try putting it in such a way that these tabs face upward, so that the bulge, it bulges downward, sort of like this. Well, I'm gonna try this and then make another video if that was successful.